Hi, welcome back. Today we discuss about Microsoft Azure. Let's go. What is Azure? What are the key features of Azure? What are the benefits and advantages of Azure? What is the cost of Azure? What are the characteristics of Azure? Let's go. Azure, also known as Microsoft Azure, is a comprehensive cloud computing platform and infrastructure developed by Microsoft. It provides a wide range of services and solutions to help organizations build, deploy, and manage applications and services through Microsoft managed data centers. Azure offers a variety of tools and services that cater to various computing needs, including computing power, storage, networking, databases, analytics, machine learning, and more. Key features of Azure. Virtual machines. Azure allows you to create and manage virtual machines (VMs) running various operating systems, giving you the flexibility to customize your computing environment. App services. This feature lets you deploy web applications and APIs without managing the underlying infrastructure. It supports various programming languages and frameworks. Azure Kubernetes Service, a managed Kubernetes container orchestration service that simplifies the deployment, management, and scaling of containerized applications using Kubernetes. Azure Active Directory provides identity and access management services, enabling you to control access to resources and applications securely. Azure Storage offers various types of storage services, including blob, file, table, and queue storage, suitable for different data storage needs. Azure SQL Database, a fully managed relational database service that supports SQL Server's workloads, providing high availability and scalability. Azure Cosmos DB, a globally distributed multi-model database service designed for building highly responsive and scalable applications. Azure Functions allows you to build serverless applications by executing code in response to events without managing the underlying infrastructure. Azure Cognitive Services provides pre-built AI and machine learning models that enables developers to add intelligent features to their applications. Azure DevOps, a set of development tools and services that enable teams to plan, develop, test, deliver, and monitor applications. Benefits and advantages of Azure. Scalability. Azure allows you to scale your resources up or down based on demand, providing flexibility and cost optimization. Global presence. Azure has data centers in various regions worldwide, enabling you to deploy applications close to your target audience for improved performance. Hybrid capabilities. Azure offers hybrid cloud solutions, allowing you to seamlessly integrate on-premises infrastructure with cloud services. Security. Azure provides robust security features, including identity and access management, encryption, threat detection, and compliance certifications. Cost management. Azure offers various pricing models and tools for optimizing costs, including pay-as-you-go, reserved instances, and cost management services. Innovation. Regular updates and new services ensure that you can leverage the latest technologies and innovations in your applications. Cost of Azure. Azure's pricing varies based on the specific services you use, the level of resources allocated, and the region where you deploy your applications. Microsoft offers a pricing calculator and documentation to help estimate costs based on your requirements. Characteristics of Azure. Elasticity. Azure can quickly scale resources up or down to match demand, providing elasticity to your applications. Reliability. Azure offers high availability and redundancy through its data centers, ensuring reliable service uptime. Flexibility. Azure supports various programming languages, operating systems, and frameworks, giving you the flexibility to choose the tools that fits your needs. Interoperability. Azure provides integration with existing IT environments and supports a wide range of technologies. Manageability. Azure offers tools and services for monitoring, managing, and automating your resources and applications. Global reach. Azure's extensive network of data centers allows you to deploy applications globally for a wider use base. Innovation. Azure continually introduces new services and features to keep up with emerging technologies and industry trends. Prerequisite to learn Azure. Azure is beginning friendly, but having some prior knowledge and skills in certain areas can be beneficial. 1. Basic cloud concepts. Understanding fundamental cloud computing concepts like virtualization, scalability, and service models. IaaS, PaaS, and SaaS. 2. Operating systems. Familiarity with Windows and Linux operating systems. 3. Networking. Basic understanding of networking concepts such as IP addressing, DNS, and routing. 4. Programming. Basic knowledge of programming languages like C++, Java, Python, or PowerShell can be helpful for working with Azure services programmatically. 5. Database concepts. Familiarity with database concepts and SQL is beneficial for using Azure's database services effectively. While not mandatory, Microsoft offers a vast array of learning resources, tutorials, and certifications for beginners and experienced professionals alike. Azure Fundamental Certifications AZ 900 is a great starting point for beginners to get acquainted with Azure's core service and concepts. Azure programs, there are various role-based certifications that cater to your jobless Azure ecosystem. Ultimately, a curious and eager to learn mindset is the most important prerequisite for successfully mastering Azure. Thanks for watching. Please do subscribe for more